Alright, today I am going to show you how to set a mouse trap. Right here I have Victor mouse trap right here with a pre-baited platform right here. I can actually smell the scent. It's quite strong. It's pre-bait. You don't need to put bait on this because it's pre-scented. But for better results, I would suggest putting a little bit of peanut butter or Nutella on there. So we're going to go ahead and set this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this back. Be careful, and as you can see, I'm wearing gloves so I don't get my own scent onto the trap. And then I'm going to take the arm and carefully put it right here, and hold it down, and lift up the platform. And underneath here is a stopper right there. So lift it up slightly and be careful. I'm going to move my arm like that. And it is set. And when I'm ready to set it, say for instance, this is a wall, I will set it like this. Now the key with this is you want to put a lot of traps down in order to get mice, because what will happen is they may crawl up to one, maybe crawl up in there, smell it, accidentally trip it off, but not get exterminated with this, and then run the other way. And when they're running the other way, they'll get trapped and get exterminated that way. Let me know if you have any questions.